How to find and follow friends on ConnectYu. It is in our DNA to be connected, and without that kind of attachment our health can suffer, said clinical psychologist Tara Klein. When people feel more isolated and lonely, it can impact their emotional and physical well-being, which can include depression, anxiety, and feelings of low self-worth. Why is it so hard to meet people and create a friendship with all these tools at our disposal? Meeting quality, like-minded people doesn't have to be a mystery anymore because ConnectYu comes as a solution to that. To find friends on ConnectYu, proceed as follows. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. After clicking, scroll down on the drop-down menu and click on Find Friends. By clicking this, you will find the following options. Search for users or friends using the search bar, and filter friends based on their gender, status, location, distance, and relationship.